Hi everyone, this is my case study project, and my research topic was looking at the similarities and differences of autism and Asperger's within the classroom. Just an overview of my discussion, I will talk through definitions, similarities and differences, how to help in the classroom, integration and examples, and closing and thoughts. So first, let's talk through what autism is. The Autism Society defines autism as a complex, lifelong developmental disability that typically appears during early childhood and can impact a person's social skills, communication, relationships, and self-regulation. Autism is defined by a certain set of behaviors and is a spectrum condition that affects people differently and to varying degrees. This picture also shows the puzzle pieces, which are usually the symbol that goes along with autism support and awareness. Next, let's talk about Asperger's. Asperger's was originally described as high-functioning autism and was part of the autism spectrum until 1994, when it became its own disorder. Healthline described Asperger's as an extension of autism that is still a part of the spectrum where the individual has a hard time with nonverbal communication, long-term relationships, and these individuals have a tendency to express sustained interest in a certain topic. The picture on this page shows the detail-oriented and recall ability of individuals with Asperger's. The Otsimo Autism blog, along with the Recovery Village site, explain the difference between autism and Asperger's. So as you can see in this chart, students with autism are not obsessed with one field or area, their language skills are delayed, their motor skills are decent, they are less likely to live independently, and their diagnosis is made by the age of 3. As with students with Asperger's, they are obsessed with one field or area, their language skills are not delayed, their motor skills are poorly developed, they are more likely to live independently, and their diagnosis is made by the age of 7 or 8. This video will show some examples about how to engage students with autism and Asperger's within your lessons. The following slide will show how I plan to arrange my classroom to incorporate students with autism and Asperger's.
When creating lesson plans, learn about what your students with autism like. People with autism have very distinct interests, so if you can incorporate them to make your lessons interesting, this can help them engage with the material more. Another way is to allow for group discussions. Classroom discussions may be intimidating for students with autism, but one-on-one interactions is more approachable for them. It's also important to provide structure and a schedule for them to follow. Predictability is crucial.
In the classroom, as you can see pictured in the top right, there is a student in a cozy corner. To the left of that picture are some fidget toys or toys to help the students calm down. Pictured in the bottom right, you can see a teacher working with a student one-on-one and using manipulatives. So overall, the main focus in my classroom will be to have fidget toys in a safe space for those students to go. As said by someone anonymous, fair isn't everyone getting the same thing. Fair is everybody getting what they need in order to be successful. And here are my sources. Thank you.